Welcome to Alvinsa Studio, your go-to channel for creative, sustainable living spaces. Today we're taking a closer look at a stunning transformation that proves luxury doesn't have to come with a high price tag. Built from a single shipping container and costing just $13,000, this tiny house blends eco-conscious design with stylish comfort, all beautifully crafted using recycled materials. From repurposed wood to clever upcycled decor, every detail in this compact space tells a story of sustainability and smart design. Join us as we step inside this affordable gem and discover how recycled creativity can deliver luxurious living, one container at a time. Paul and Kathy were not afraid to transform one of those shipping containers into a lovely and cozy tiny home for themselves in Brisbane, Queensland, surrounded by nothing else but nature. Both of them work on a sugarcane farm, which is right in front of their house, and their workshop is next to it. The house measures 8.5 feet in height and 20 feet in length with an extended roof. The workshop can be packed up and transported anywhere else. Lots of flowers surround this beautiful house, and they even got a garden where they grow their food. The shipping container is painted in a simplistic gray shade and brown wood-looking accents. It even has a large patio on a wooden deck on which they put a small round table and some metal chairs. The doors are made of reclaimed timber wood, and the patio has quite an interesting story. The timber wood was milled from a tree that was planted after World War II by the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps, or ANZAC. Every piece of wood in this house was handcrafted by Paul with one thing in mind, which was uniqueness. Stepping inside, we get into a truly luxurious home. The raised roof gives the impression of a spacious, normal house. There is lots of woodwork done all around the house, from the ceiling to the floor, and even the banister of the stairs. The loft area is quite small, but big enough to host a two-person bed. The little space in here makes it feel cozier when you are sleeping, and the many windows offer a great view of the outdoors. Kathy and Paul are very proud of their kitchen, and rightly so. The countertop has an unusual shape and is made of rare Australian ironbark hardwood. Paul even designed a few carved grooves that go all around the sink, giving the illusion of a shining sun. A 4-burner stove, a normal-size fridge, and a substantial countertop space make this area a fully working kitchen. The food can be served outside through an awning window. On the other side of the window, the couple arranged a stunning ironbark counter and 2 chairs. The bathroom can be accessed by a sliding door, and just like the rest of the house, it also features woodwork throughout. The sink is carved in stone, and the cabinet is driftwood gathered from the beach. The tiny holes in this beach driftwood came in already made by Mother Nature with the help of small worms. An amazing job was done to the shower cabin, which has a copper shower with an intriguing design. Paul designed this copper shower with an oxygen torch burner, which he admits took a lot of time and heat, but he is happy with the steampunk aesthetic. The house is fully off-grid thanks to solar panels that power up a 12-volt battery, enough for running all the electronics in the house. There is an extra 240-volt for emergency reasons, such as the fridge. More off-grid amenities are also present, like a composting toilet and water harvesting. The cost of this entire house, considering that most of the materials are recycled or reclaimed, was only $13,000, which is truly a small price for such a beautiful home. And that wraps up our tour of this incredible $13,000 shipping container home. A true testament to how recycled materials and smart design can create a space that's both luxurious and sustainable. If this tiny house inspired you to think differently about what a home can be, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who love creative living. Subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more amazing container homes, design ideas, and sustainable living solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.